Alright, I'm rolling already.
And just get the bacon. Here, you want to use this?
Just the bacon?
Just the bacon. Okay.
Then why did you mix it?
Hold on, man. It's step by step. Why are you questioning my skills?
Like, if you weren't gonna put it together, why would you mix it?
Ew, because you didn't give me everything I needed. I needed more bowls and all that good stuff, but you know.
That is my fault.
Yeah,
right.
no.
She didn't ask me for another bowl, but it's my fault.
Look,
alright.
Why do you always have to talk shit?
Alright.
Okay. Oh, the puppy. He just wants to keep crying. He wants bacon. So I had Anthony cut the onions because I can't do it. That shit makes me cry. But I did the apples, so that's good.
If there's one thing I could do, it's cut it. Alright, hey guys, just so you know, I didn't actually cut this. She did. She just told me to come here and pretend that I'm cutting it, so that's what I'm doing.
But I really was crying, and then I asked him, "Can you please cut the garlic for me?"
Wait, oh no. She said cut the.
I had the onions covered with this, so he wouldn't touch it.
No, she said, "Can you cut the onion?" So I, all right, cool, I'm gonna cut the onion. I came here and I started cutting the onion, and then as I'm cutting the onion, she's like, "Wait, what are you doing? Don't cut the onion." And I'm like, "You told me to cut the onion."
I never said that. Whatever, but he did mince the garlic.
Hey guys, so as we wait for the bacon, Gabby says she wants to Gabby, come here. Gabby says she wants to drop a freestyle real quick, so that's what we're gonna do, alright? Alright, Gabby's gonna go first, go!
Oh, check it.
Okay.
We're out here in San Bernardino. Wait, I gotta find the beat. Is it gonna start?
I don't know, just go.
Alright, here we go. We are out here in San Bernardino, making some bacon, making it crispy.
Hey, okay.
Eating an apple.
Okay.
Because it's like Snapple.
Oh!
Take it away, my Anthony.
Hey, y'all heard it here first. AmateurHipHop.com, man. You already know we out here, San Bernardino, California, boy. We got the bacon. All right, check. All right, this beat. All right, restart it. I want to get a new beat. Let me get a new beat. Hey, you already know AmateurHipHop.com, dog. We out here. All right, check it. Yo, wait, hold this. All right. Gabby on the pan, man. She's cooking up the bacon, boy. Caking.
It smells like.
Yo, since me and Gabby both suck at freestyle, I'm gonna just pass it to the cameraman. Okay, give me a word. Go. Oven. Yo, Gabby straight cooking with the oven. Hit up her line, get you some loving, cause she is so good, she is so sweet. You know, I still rapping when I'm rapping on this beat, cause she cooking all this meat. Yeah, it's looking kinda crispy. Yeah, you already know, I make $1.50 about an hour. Yeah, at my old job, I wanna leave, cause I don't wanna get robbed by the man. Oh, okay. I don't know what else I'm saying. I'm gonna go leave the house, cause you know I be playing.
Check the bacon, because it's ready. Look at this, looking mighty crispy and tasty. Okay. Did that kind of right?
Okay. This is me pretending to cook, guys. Hey, you guys should have seen Gabby earlier. She was cutting the onions, right? And I swear, I'm not even lying. She cried for like a good 20 minutes. Like, she did not stop crying. And she wasn't even in front of the onions anymore. Like, she left the onions and she was still crying for like a good 20 minutes after the fact.
I was in the restroom like, dude, I can't stop crying.
Yeah, it was like legit, like tears coming out, and yeah.
I hate, I love onions, but
whoever's out there who hurt Gabby, I just want to let you know, she's still hurt. Commercial break. Hey, okay. Hey.
Burning calorie edition.
Hey.
I'm legit sweating now. It's already hot in here.
That's the commercial break, guys.
That was it. Brought to you by
bananas. Make sure you guys get your bananas at your local grocery store for only how much do bananas go for? I don't know.
Like 15 cents.
15 cents a what pound?
I get some pricey ones.
15 cents each or what?
Yeah, it's 15 cents.
I don't know. Just go to the grocery store, find out how much your grocery store sells it, and get your banana because they're high in potassium, right? Potassium?
Yeah, it's potassium.
High in potassium.
And if you like going to the gym, one banana is really good before you go into the gym.
Cut to commercial break again.
Your turn.
Butt naked nasty oh no. Butt naked nasty oh no. Butt naked nasty.
Brought to you by Imperial Butter.
Oh, butter. Make sure you guys get your butter at your local grocery store or supermarket. You get your butter for about $2.39. And yeah, get your butter.
So this is Brussels maple bacon apple salmon.
Do you just name all the ingredients? pepper, butter, pan, oil. What else did we miss? Garlic. That's what the dish is called, guys. Bye. See ya.